But yeah, that's about it. And I think...
Well, you have some new baby chickens, don't you?
I do.
So you want to go show the audience the baby chickens today?
I can.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right. There's Tyler playing Guitar Hero. Woohoo! There's my Lukey. There's Guitar Hero. There's Nona, the best cook in the world. There's Frankie. Hi, babies.
Hi. These are my new babies. They're about 3 weeks old. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, there's 10 of them. And they're really nice. They love their mama.
There's Bug. She loves the baby chickies. She loves them. She herds them when they fall to the floor, and she gets them put back in the box.
Yeah, let's see if I can find her.
Bug's upset that the birds are hanging out.
This one right here. They're all going to their new home on Monday, except for this one. This is a little girl. She's got a little Hawkeye. We're going to keep her. She's going to have pretty little stripes all over. She's cute.
You say all but one?
Yeah.
And there's Chris.
That's Chris. That's Grumpy Man.
See, he likes Bug. Bug's his buddy.
See, it's a baby. It's okay. Alright. Yeah, but they'll all go to their new home on Monday.
Well, you got to show them how they sleep upside down.
Okay. We'll take this one. Take them, and sit them upside down, and you hold their head up, and they count backwards.
Oh, look at that baby.
Hi, are you going to go see-pee?
You're on camera.
There's one that sleeps really well. Let's see. It's this one. Hi.
You're a little ham, aren't you? Rub its belly.
Oh, he's going. He's going. He's going. Oh, and he's out.
Doesn't take long, does it?
Mm-mm. They just get comfy.
Like, oh, I'm safe. They're so sweet.
We have baby guinea pigs over here. It's a little farm. This is Daddy. That's Smoochie down there.
Hi, Smoochie. Smoochie's been to my house. Haven't you, Smooch?
Come up here and say hi. Come on.
Hi, Smooches.
Say hello. Hello. Here's Mama.
Here's Smoochie's baby.
This is one baby. This is the little girl.
Hi, baby. Hi, baby.
Let's see.
Here's Mama.
And here's Mama. This is Emma.
Hi, Emma. How are you, Emma?
I'm a good mama. And then here's the little boy.
Oh, what a cutie. He's cute.
He looks like his dad.
And then watch this. Mama herds them back into their house. Watch. She's like, nope, nope, get back in the house. Follow me. Now, get in here. I'm surprised she hasn't came out to go get the other one.
She sees it. She's watching it.
Here she comes.
She's calling
Where's my other baby? Yep, she's calling them. Up, and there they go. Safe into house.
Let's go back.
So cute. Hi, Smooches. What are you doing in there? What are you doing in there? And there's Tootsie. Tootsie girls.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Tootsie baby.
That's my baby.
Come here, Tootsie baby. Oh, Tootsie, Tootsie. Yes, Frankie. Okay, and there's the big pot for the chicken today. Look at how big that sucker is. That's the kind of pot that you're going to need.
And it's boiling.
Yeah, it is.
So turn it down a little bit to keep it warm. Turn it down enough to keep it warm, and then as soon as we are done eating, we'll go out. And
Alright.
Here, this is the kind of string I like to use. We use string like this, or
Okay, let me
zip
back
ties. Nice, thick, twine type string.
Okay.
And
Is that going to be the cleaver we use?
this is the cleaver.
Woohoo!
It's really heavy. It's scary looking, and it's sharp. You don't want to drop it on your foot. You'll lose a toe. Yeah, here, the ball, thick ball of string.
Cool.
And then your scissors to cut that.
And do we need, you said we needed paper bags?
Yep. And then if you look across my dirty kitchen, there's one of the paper bags on the floor.
Woo! We're serious.
I'm ready to go. I'm gonna kill something.
Alright, I think that's about it. I think.
There's the baby chickens, the guinea pigs, and Sam in the
I think,
kitchen.
yep. This is my dirty kitchen. Yay.
Alright, so we're going to let you go until we're ready to kill a chicken.
Yep. We're
Alright.
gonna eat.
Alright, bye people.